Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today, you guys, I'm gonna show you how to add nutrients to your plants in Leca. Oh my god, the Leca almost rolled over. Leca are these little clay balls that act as a growing medium, and you use it other than soil to grow your plants. And the benefits of leca is that it's a really airy substrate. So the roots get a lot of oxygen. You grow really nice big roots if done right. You have less pests. There's so much more things about leca that you can learn. But today I'm just gonna show you the nutrients that need to be used with leca because leca unfortunately doesn't have all the nutrients that soil has, so you have to add it to it because these are literally clay balls, so they have no type of nutrients, so you guys have to add them. So today I'm gonna use the General Hydroponics nutrients and show you how I do my mixture. And I just learned how to do this mixture by this channel. This Kevin is his name. His channel is called Hakuna La Planta. If you want to look him up, he is great. I learned everything from him. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you how I learned that he mixes it. Hopefully it all goes well. Honestly, I've only given my plants another type of nutrient by the same company, but I feel like this one has everything. So if you guys wanna learn how to add nutrients to your leca, stick around. Subscribe if you haven't. I do other videos as well. I do furniture from IKEA, plant videos, makeup videos, and be part of my family here. So anyways, without further ado, let's begin this video with handling these nutrients. You want to wear gloves. You don't have to, but I am because I have nails and because I don't know, to protect my beautiful hands. Oh, they're a bit tight. So, you want to get a gallon of water, preferably distilled water. So Kevin from Hakuna La Planta uses his tap water. He says to check the water, the tap water in your city, and if it's like not that bad, use it. But I always play it safe and buy distilled water because you want to use water with like no minerals because the plants don't like that. And the first thing he mixes is the calcium, magnesium. Yeah, so this is the first supplement he uses. He mixes it, he adds a little water, and then he mixes some of the nutrient. He does 5 millimeters, 1 teaspoon with a syringe. So we're gonna do that. So you guys, what he does is he gets some of the water. So he adds some of the water and mixes the nutrient water here and then adds it to the whole gallon for the first 4 nutrients. So I'm gonna pour 4 of these glasses. All right, here we go. Of course it has one of these things, how annoying. Okay, so I got 5 millimeters in here, 1 teaspoon. And we're gonna put it in here. So that is gonna go in here. Oh, I feel like I was gonna drop that. There goes one. Okay. That kind of looks like lemonade. Okay. There goes one. Now I gotta do that 4 times. Now I'm gonna do the Flora Micro. Side note, these are so annoying to open. Like, I had to break the seal. I have freaking nails on. Like, I had to use a knife. So, yeah. Just know that they're gonna be annoying to open. So I'm gonna try to fit my syringe in here. Five millimeters into the water. Oh my god, this looks like blood. It looks so cool, you guys. Oh. So I'm gonna put it in my gallon. And oh my god, this is so cool. It's just so cool, you guys. We're like little scientists. That's why, like I said, use gloves because this is so messy. Okay, put the cup on. To the next one, which is Flora Grow. Okay. This is green, and we're gonna do it in this water. We're gonna mix it here. It's getting heavy. Last one, Flora Bloom. Looks already like the one we're gonna use. Oh, I was about to add it in the gallon. No. Add it in your solution first. Add it here in the gallon. Now we're gonna add the diamond nectar. We're gonna do 5 millimeters, and this one we could add directly in the gallon. So directly in there. Okay, and then we're gonna add this Rapid Grow for root enhancement. This was so expensive, you guys. This was $50 alone. Ugh, oh my god. And the bottle is so much smaller than the other ones. That is so crazy, you guys. It comes with this little thing, like, looks like an energy drink. For this one, he does 2 millimeters. So not a lot. And I'm gonna put it directly in the gallon. Mix. So that's how I mix my nutrient water, you guys. Oh my god, it took us forever. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test my pH, you guys. So, I'm gonna add a little bit of that gallon water here. And I got this from General Hydroponics as well. And it tells you your pH of your water for your plants. And the ideal pH is from 5.5 to 6.5. So your plants can grow healthy. That's what they like. So I'm gonna measure it in this little test tube. I'm gonna add a little bit, oh my god, here. put the water in one of these things because I do not want to make a mess. Okay, there. So here we have the water. I used distilled water. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna be like really good. So you wanna put about 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. There. And we're gonna mix it. Okay, my pH is about 4.0. Oh my god, it's kind of low. It's a bit low, you guys. So, we're gonna put some pH up. We're gonna put some pH up to help it. It doesn't say how much I should add though. Okay, we're gonna add some of this. Be careful when you add this because one of them is an acid and, well, I'm wearing gloves, so. So I'm gonna add. Okay. I have here some of my solution. Okay. It looks better now. Okay. 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. It's 6.0 now, you guys. Okay. That's good. We got it to 6.0. It can be 5.5 to 6.5. So it's perfect now. So, oh my god. I can't believe I gotta do all that for this nutrient water. So we're gonna put it back. And this nutrient water is perfect. 6.0, it's between 5.5 and 6.5. So, yeah. So here's a perfect gallon of nutrient water that I mixed using all these expensive ass products that you see. So, this is perfect for your plants and Leca and semi-hydro. So yeah, that's how I mixed it, you guys. And like I said, I learned all this from Hakuna La Planta's channel, Kevin. Thank you. I'm gonna try it and we're gonna see how my plants like it. These nutrients were freaking expensive. So the 3-part nutrients were like $30-something, almost $40. The calcium magnesium was like $20. This other one was like 15 or 17. So that's like 30, 50, $70. And this one was 50. So 70 plus 50, that's $120 just on nutrients. My plants better love this. And this pH kit was, I think, $20, 17, 20, something like that. I'll link everything below for you guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you want to learn more of these plant videos. If you guys have plants in Leca. I need some water. I'm thirsty. And thanks for watching. On the next video, I might just pot up one of my plants. But love you guys. Stay safe and subscribe. Bye guys. See you on my next video.